Hello, I want to teach you how to upload your thumbnail to your YouTube video. So after uploading your video to YouTube, you go to YouTube Studio. If you don't have the YouTube Studio, you have to download it. YouTube Studio, you go to it. When it's open, you go to the video that you want to put thumbnail. Then you come to this place, you have to watch. You come to this edit, this thing that is like pencil, edit, then you tap on it. You will see that it has generated some of the thumbnail that you wish to use. If you now have the one you have customized that you want to use, you can now go to this custom thumbnail to download it. So go to them, go to your gallery or your images to look for it. Go to your images or gallery or down. I just finished downloading this one from the Canva, so I'm using it. It's the one that I just made. So I'm also going to do video to teach you how you can create YouTube thumbnail. So this is it here. You have to choose it and you say done, and that's it. So when you now go back to your video, you save it. When you now go to your video on YouTube, let's go to YouTube, you'll see that, you see, it has changed. So anybody seeing your video now will see this, and it's very lovely. So you have to subscribe to this channel to learn more how to do other things.